Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use AirDrop on iPhone with iOS 26. So to do this, you have just to go to anything that you want to send with AirDrop. For example, I will select this video. And after that, I have to click on the share icon on the bottom left of the screen. And after that, it will give me the share options that I have. And I have to choose AirDrop, the option of AirDrop. And as you can see now, it will give me the available devices for AirDrop. And of course, you need to activate the AirDrop also from the device that you want to receive the file on it. And after that, you have just to click on the device that you want to send the file with with AirDrop, and it will be sent in just a few seconds. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.